Welcome to a cigar shop in Santo Domingo.
Absolutely incredible cigars. They've got a whole wide variety of cigars in this shop. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Okay. Cigar of the year.
Yeah.
2014. This is actually the first cathedral just behind me here that was made in the Americas.
There's the mermaid.
Hey guys, so this is the evening vibe. We're heading out and going to these music events.
Welcome to a cigar shop in Santo Domingo. Let's go and explore this treasure trove of tobacco. It is simply unbelievable. The main brand is Cabinet and it has a remarkable collection. First in my sight, the Millennium named cigar, a true masterpiece. Its intense, savoury flavour promises an unforgettable experience. And just below that we saw a Grand CRU cigar, which is a low intensity aromatic flavoured cigar. As I guide you through this cigar shop, it's an exploration of the Dominican Republic cigar making heritage.
Absolutely incredible cigars. They've got a whole wide variety of cigars in this shop. Absolutely incredible. Wow. I mean, look at all of the different varieties behind me. And it just continues all the way throughout the shop. There's so much variety in the shop. Wow. How much are those? 16. I mean, that one is $16, $17.
Other prices also.
Yeah, that one is $16. Wow.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I cannot read it.
USD 16. Wow. Let's have a quick look. That box must be special. Looks like Cabinet is the main brand. Honestly guys, I really can't believe how many cigars there are in this shop. It's absolutely crazy, and I don't even know much about cigars, but literally it's just incredible. Have a look yourself.
These are medium to light. It's an excellent honey taste and vanilla. It's creamy and soft.
Vanilla.
Yes.
Okay, how much?
Vanilla.
$2, $3?
$5.
$5. Two
Yeah.
small ones. Okay.
Also, more prices in the $3 there are so like the Cuban one, but that too smaller.
No, I was just
For
curious,
this one?
because it's much less tobacco than in a big one, so I was thinking just maybe.
So that one there, it won, yeah, Cigar of the Year.
Of 2014, this one.
Okay.
Yes. Mexican Republic with Dominican.
Wow. Okay. Cigar of the Year,
Yes.
2014.
2014.
See? You can feel the smell. It's really nice.
This one there better. Was the one this year?
This year.
Yeah, this year.
Wow.
Okay.
It's medium to strong,
Medium to strong.
but the price is $10.
Yeah.
$10.
I don't know if you have this question, but all these ones done by Dominicans, all this in next on Ocean, but if you want something medium to light, I should recommend you Regalera.
Okay.
Or you want something more extensive but also medium, the for Dominican. The choice is yours. Oh, I don't have my partner show you other cigars.
Thank you. I'm just curious,
That was an incredible experience. I really enjoyed it, and so did my traveling friends as well. And now we are going to explore the streets of Santo Domingo, taking you through the main tourist areas and heading to the first ever cathedral built in the Americas.
Currently walking to the cathedral.
As we walk through the streets of Santo Domingo, this is exactly what people want to see. They want to see the vibe, the people, the hustle and bustle, the various things going on. Today is a weekend and there is so much happening in every corner of each square and street we go to, and you can see here it's just very busy. And as it's the weekend, people are out and about with their families enjoying the local vibe, and I think my friend likes the music.
Do you know how to figure out what's this music? I know it's.
Yeah, go on Shazam and then you can. Hooray! Mark found the music name. Let's now carry on with the walk. And this afternoon, it's such a nice vibe here, walking through the streets and just people watching and seeing how the vibe is. I'm really enjoying this walk towards the first ever cathedral built in the Americas. It will be incredible, and enjoying the local vibe and area. It is great. And we are here, the Cathedral of Santa María la Menor in the colonial city of Santo Domingo is dedicated to Saint Mary of the Incarnation. It is the first and oldest cathedral in the Americas, begun in 1504 and was completed in 1550. Let's now do a 360-degree, and you can see the vibe in a local area. People are and families are having a good time, which is great to see on this weekend. Let's now take a closer look at the cathedral. Hi guys, so this is the first cathedral that was made in the Americas. Isn't that amazing? I didn't know that. It's closed for maintenance. Would have been nice to go inside, but no, it's not possible. But wow, the first cathedral in the Americas. Hi guys, how you doing? So this is actually the first cathedral just behind me here that was made in the Americas. So Central America, North America and South America. The first cathedral that was built in the Dominican Republic in the capital, Santo Domingo. Wow. So I'll just move over here. Right, it's time to explore the streets of Santo Domingo, the retail streets, and honestly, it's so vibrant, and you step into a world of wonder, and you can see there's a man there on stilts. There's 3 circus-like characters here. You got, oh, is that a lady? That's a mermaid from Aquaman, isn't it? And then you can see the circus-like man there, and there's another person there in the background, a clown-like person there. There's the mermaid. I'm really enjoying this walk, guys. I hope you are too. There's 3 circus-like people here. Oh, hi, how you doing? It's so nice to meet passers-by. Let's carry on walking, and we can hear the loud sound of trumpets which fills the air, and it just brings so much liveliness. Oh, hello, how you doing? This is just great, isn't it? As we continue our journey through the bustling retail streets of Santo Domingo, the spectacle unfolds and the vibrant, bustling atmosphere truly captures the essence of this incredible city. It's a sight to behold, and a reminder that in Santo Domingo the streets themselves are a celebration of life and culture. So stay with me on my travels. I've actually been up since 6 a.m. today. It's been a crazy day, but the day still hasn't ended yet, so stay with me. And it's not long before the sun will set. I bump into a lovely gentleman from Haiti who's so lovely and soft-spoken, so just checking out his cigar shop. So enjoy the tour.
No, I'm from an Haiti.
What?
Haiti. Yeah.
Haiti. Haiti. Oh, okay. It's just they're
Close by,
same
yeah.
across the border. Okay.
That's why I know many things about the Taiwan
Yeah,
because
okay.
we do it in Haiti. Avec chocolat, avec vanille, avec anything. Could you Each one they have its
Honestly, everyone, as I continue with the stroll, it becomes evident that each area in Santo Domingo offers a distinct and diverse atmosphere, contributing to the city's rich tapestry of experiences. And there's people, there's a young group of girls there, and now I feel like some fresh juice. This is the place to come, everyone. Fresh fruit. When speaking to many people around the world, I find that people really want to see how the supermarkets are abroad. So here you go and enjoy this walkthrough of the supermarket here in Santo Domingo. That's the bakery section, deli section, and over here you've got the milk area, got some crisps there, that's the prices there. And let's now carry on with the walk. You got some bread items there and some nice cakes. I would obviously go for the chocolate one. Let's now head out and watch this band play some music. I stumble upon a musical gem that ignites the city's soul, a live band passionately playing local music that resonates with the heart of this vibrant culture. And you can see there a couple dancing away, enjoying this local music, local vibe. It is just such an amazing experience being here. The rhythm is infectious as talented musicians pour their hearts into the instruments. Each note is a love letter to the Dominican Republic, and every chord tells a story of its people, its history, and its rhythm. The crowd sways to the music, sharing smiles and dance steps, uniting as one in this sonic celebration. In the heart of Santo Domingo, this live band and their local melodies are a testament to the city's rich musical heritage. And now it's time to head back, and that's one of the hotels there on the way back to our accommodation.
Hey guys, so this is the evening vibe. So I'm in the capital of Dominican Republic. You can see it's quite live and kicking, and I hope you enjoyed my videos. And yeah, you can see here, I mean, it's very sort of buzzing now. It's been quite enjoyable, seeing some historical places and seeing some other things, but yeah, quite interesting. Hope you enjoyed the vlogs. Hey guys, Sunday is known for tourism night. It's sponsored by the Department of Tourism here, so there are events happening every Sunday pretty much, which is what I've been told by many people. So we're heading out and going to these music events. I'll keep you updated, and please follow me on my travels. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hey guys, how you doing? Please do subscribe to my channel and all social media if you want to follow me on my travel adventures, my trips.